Guys, this is Jay, and in this video we'll be converting text to speeches in Python. So sit back, chillax, and let's start coding. So first of all, we're going to import our text to speech module, which is pyttsx3. Then we're going to type import pyttsx3. Now, if you don't have this module installed on your PyCharm, just go to terminal down here. We're going to type pip install our pyttsx3. We're going to press enter. Then showing requirement already satisfied because I already have this module installed on your PC. If you don't have it, it's going to just download the module on your PyCharm. So now let's go to the next line. So now we're going to initialize our module. So we're going to create a variable named talk engine, which is going to be equals to our pyttsx3 dot init, which stands for initializer. This line initializes the text to speech module. It helps us it's like starting a car before you drive. So that's what this line does. It initializes the module to get it ready to start talking. So now we're going to set our voices. For to set our voice, we want to create a variable named voice. Let's call it voices, which is going to be equals to our talk engine dot our get property. We want to get the list of available voices. We want to use the quotes, and we'll now type voices in between the quotes. Then we're going to set property. So we're going to say talk engine dot set properties, and we're going to set the property of the voice and the voices. And open an index of 0. Then we put our dot id. Now this line decides the type of voice we want. The index 0 stands for male voice, while index 1 stands for female voice. So the next line is to set our words per minute. So we're going to come down and say talk engine dot set property once more. I want to set it at weight. I'll say weight. Then I'll put our words per minute, which is 150 words per minute. So line 7 and 8 helps us to tell Python that we want this type of voice. I want the voice to talk this fast, which is 150 words per minute. Now, what do we want Python to talk? That's what we want to do in the next line. So we want to create a variable named lines, which is going to be equals to a list of words. So the first word is let's say welcome to J code. Then the next one will be drop a simple comment. Then the last one will be like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now we're going to loop through this list of words. So we're going to create our normal for loop. We say for line in lines. We're going to tell it to print our line. So this is it. But before we do that, we have to tell Python to get ready to speak. So for us to do that, we have to call our talk engine once more. Then we'll now say dot say. We want it to say the line. We'll now put the line variable inside. Then this is it getting ready to speak. Then we want it to speak. We'll now call it the talk engine variable once more, and we'll now say run and wait. So these are two lines. Talk engine dot say line gets Python ready to speak, while the second line, talk engine dot run and wait, makes Python to actually speak. So now let's run the code and see.
Welcome to J-Code. Drop a simple comment. Like and subscribe to this YouTube channel.
So that is it. Now let's check the male voice. So let's change this to 1. Let's run it again.
Welcome to J-Code. Drop a simple comment. Like and subscribe to this YouTube channel.
Let's see it at 200 words per minute. So let's change this to 250 words per minute. Now let's see how it goes.
Welcome to J-Code.
Yeah.
Drop a simple comment. Like and subscribe to this YouTube channel.
So guys, this is text to speech using Python. So kindly remember what I said, like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you, guys.